Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best Benchmade knives and some alternative competitors that truly deliver on quality, performance, and durability. Whether you're an avid outdoorsman, an EDC enthusiast, or simply someone looking for a reliable knife, this list has something for everyone. You can find the product links in the description below, so you can check them out for yourself. Let's jump right in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Sharpest 101N 6-in-1 pocket knife sharpener and survival tool. While it's not a knife in itself, this versatile tool earns its spot for being an essential accessory for any knife enthusiast. Featuring 6 functions, including carbide and ceramic V-notch slots for sharpening, a tapered diamond rod for serrations, a ferro rod fire starter, and even an emergency whistle. The Sharpest 101N is a multifunctional powerhouse. The design is compact and ultra-portable, weighing just 2.4 ounces and measuring a mere 3.54 inches in length. It's built for rugged use, with durable abrasives that are field-tested to last over 10,000 cycles. This sharpener is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts who want to maintain their blades while camping, hiking, or in survival scenarios. The built-in lanyard hole makes it easy to carry, and its ergonomic design ensures ease of use even in challenging conditions. While it doesn't provide cutting functionality, the Sharpest 101N is invaluable for keeping your knives in top condition. It delivers excellent value for its price point, especially given its multi-use capabilities. However, it's worth noting that this tool is better suited for touch-ups and quick maintenance rather than heavy-duty sharpening. If you're someone who values preparedness and wants to prolong the life of your knives, this sharpener is a must-have addition to your kit. Coming in at number 4 is the Spyderco Tenacious Folding Pocket Knife. This knife is a fan favorite for its exceptional balance between affordability, durability, and performance. The 3.39-inch blade is crafted from 8CR13 MOV stainless steel, which provides decent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it a solid choice for everyday carry or tactical use. The fiberglass reinforced nylon FRN handle is lightweight and features Spyderco's proprietary bidirectional texturing, ensuring a secure, slip-resistant grip in all conditions. The knife also comes equipped with a 4-position pocket clip, allowing you to carry it tip up or tip down, and accommodating both left and right-handed users. The full flat ground blade excels at versatile cutting tasks, whether you're slicing through rope or preparing food on a camping trip. While the Tenacious doesn't use premium materials like some of the higher-ranked options on this list, it's hard to beat its value. This knife is perfect for beginners and experienced users alike who are looking for a reliable, budget-friendly option. The main drawback is its slightly heavier weight at 3.68 ounces, which might be noticeable for those who prioritize ultra-light designs. But overall, the Tenacious delivers on durability, functionality, and style. making it well worth your consideration. At number 3, we have the Civivi Praxis Flipper Liner Lock Knife. This knife combines practicality and elegance, showcasing a 3.75-inch black stone-washed blade made from 9-car 18 MOV steel. This high-carbon stainless steel offers excellent edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it a reliable choice for outdoor tasks and everyday carry. The handle is where the Praxis truly shines. Made from Kibertia wood, it offers a warm, natural aesthetic while maintaining a lightweight and ergonomic design. The knife features a flipper tab and ball bearings in the pivot, ensuring smooth and quick one-handed deployment. The reversible deep carry pocket clip allows for discreet and comfortable carry, making it ideal for both work and casual use. While the Praxis is slightly larger and heavier at 3.99 ounces, it balances well in hand and performs exceptionally across a range of tasks. One minor downside is that it may feel a bit bulky in smaller pockets. However, with its sharp point blade and refined craftsmanship, the Praxis is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a blend of style, functionality, and durability at a competitive price. Sliding into the number 2 spot is the Kershaw Bel Air Pocket Knife. This American-made knife combines sleek design with premium materials, featuring a 3.4-inch blade made from CPM MagnaCut steel. Known for its exceptional edge retention, toughness, and corrosion resistance, MagnaCut is one of the best blade steels on the market today, ensuring this knife is built to last. The marbled carbon fiber handle is both lightweight and stylish, offering a modern look while remaining comfortable for extended use. The Duralock locking mechanism ensures a secure and safe blade lockup, while the KVT ball bearing system allows for smooth and effortless deployment using the thumb studs. The knife also includes a deep carry pocket clip and a lanyard hole for versatile carry options. At just 2.56 ounces, the Bel Air is impressively lightweight, making it an excellent choice for everyday carry. Its premium materials and refined design do come at a higher price point, but for those seeking a top-tier knife with a unique aesthetic, the Bel Air is worth the investment. The only downside is that the handle might feel a bit slippery in wet conditions, but overall, it's a standout performer. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Benchmade Mini Bugout 533 folding knife. If you're looking for the ultimate lightweight EDC knife, this is it. Weighing only 1.62 ounces, the Mini Bugout is designed to be a go-anywhere, do-anything tool. Its 2.82-inch blade is made from CPM S90V steel, offering unparalleled edge retention and corrosion resistance, making it perfect for outdoor adventures and everyday use alike. The black carbon fiber handle not only looks sleek, but is also incredibly durable, with an ergonomic textured grip for optimal control. The axis locking mechanism ensures smooth, ambidextrous operation, and the reversible clip and lanyard hole provide versatile carry options. Benchmade's commitment to quality is evident in their LifeSharp service, offering free sharpening, cleaning, and maintenance for the life of the knife. While the mini bugout is on the higher end of the price spectrum, its combination of premium materials, lightweight design, and lifetime warranty makes it an unbeatable value. The only downside is its smaller size, which might not suit those looking for a larger blade. However, for ultralight EDC enthusiasts and those who demand top-tier performance, the mini bugout is the clear winner. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this countdown of the top 5 best Benchmade knives and competitors. If this video helped you make a decision, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. Let me know in the comments which knife you'd pick, or if you have any other recommendations. Until next time, stay sharp and take care.